Started to plant.
Dang.
There. Or one of the starts of the plant anyway.
Dang, and it just comes right out the ground, out the mountain.
Hey, go ahead and walk up there, you can see it kind of coming out of the ground there.
Wow, that is so beautiful. We were over on that side, now we're on the other side.